Okay, previously we learned about one class, right? How to write the code and everything, right? Now we will learn about inheritance. Okay, let me create some new class. Okay, add new item or class. We can do either way. Okay, class. Let's say I'm giving CLS. What is the class name we will give? Let's say CLS employee. Okay. If you understand the structure, right? What is the project name? C# learning underscore December 20. So that will be our namespace. That is package. Inside that, this class is there. Now let me make this public. Okay, public class by default internal. Okay, public class this one. So now for this employee class, I am going to create some properties and methods.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. This guy is missing. One guy. Okay. So now I am having in employee what kind of properties we will have. Okay. Let's say string e name I am giving. Okay. Employee name equals, right? I am assigning some variable for this.
Okay.
I am assigning some value for this employee name. Let's say, for example, Mahesh. Okay. Same way, let's say I'm putting int age, let's say 26, something like that. Whatever. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
yeah, we forgot to learn this one. This I will explain you. What are constructor, destructor, all those things. Don't worry. I think already we learned. Okay. This is construct. Constructor is nothing but similar to class name with no return type. So whatever you are writing here, it will execute that code when we create the object for this. Okay, how we will create the object for this class? Tell me, anyone? Let's say we have some class called CLS employee. How we will create the object for this? Mahesh or Rekha, can you tell me how we will create an object for this class employee?
Class employee.
Tell me.
Employee object.
Employee.obj.
I'm asking how to create an object.
Object.
Class employee. Okay.
Class employee object.
Hmm.
I mean like obj.
Equal.
Obj emp equal to new
Hmm.
class employee.
Class employee. Now, what will happen when you create this? This code will be executed. Let's say simply I am putting I am control.writeLine, I am constructor something. Or here, initially I declared only age variable. Or let's say here I am setting age equal to 25 something. So when this will be set, this variable, when somebody create an object for this.
Object, yeah.
Okay, now that is construct. And now I am going to create a method. Let's say private void means it's not returning anything. Display employee name. Okay, and we are doing control dot write line uh, employee name is something or Mahesh something like that. Whatever. Mahesh, I am hard coding. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm having one more method called getAge. See, it is what is the return type of this method? Int. Means we need to return something. And what we are returning? Return already some local variable age. Already something is there. 25 in this case. Got it? Or we can have one more constructor, parameterized constructor, int let's say underscore age, some variable. So here I am setting this variable equal to whatever coming from outside underscore age. So when we creating the object, here we can pass 30. Now what will happen? It will call this constructor, parameterized constructor. Now
Yeah.
we set this age equal to 30, whatever coming from outside. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That is parameterized constructor. Okay. Like that,
Okay.
we are having methods and properties. Now,
Mm-hmm.
let's say this is our parent class. Now we are going to create namespace is a collection of classes. Right? This is one class. Now enter. Now I am creating one more class, public class, public class
Mm-hmm.
department. Okay, public class department. Now I am doing public int department number, okay, equal something 100. Okay, same way public string department name equal to initially civil.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I don't want constructor for this. I'm getting public void display department details. Something like this. I am having some method. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
control.write line. I think I am writing civil department or whatever, some code action.
Yeah.
Three classes we have within the namespace, two classes.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? We have two
Mm-hmm.
classes inside the namespace. This one. So now, how the inheritance will work in the C sharp. Now in the second class, let's say I'm putting colon, I'm doing class employee.
Mm-hmm.
Now that means this is becomes now child class. This becomes parent class for this. This is inherited from this one. That means now if we create an object for this, how to create the object for this?
For a class, oh, class dependency. Yeah. Yeah.
We create object for this.
Mm-hmm.
Now if you put the dot, it will show
Object.
its own properties and methods. How many properties it has? Two.
Two.
Department name. How many methods it has? One.
One.
So it will show all these things plus its parents one. Parent, how many methods we have? Two methods. Display name,
Two methods.
get age.
Mm-hmm. Get age.
And how many properties we have? Int
Two.
age and this one. So we will,
Yeah.
okay, now we create a test case for this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what we will do, I am going to create some new class. Or which one we are using? Class student something. Not this. This one we are using, right? Okay, I am creating some new method. Just public void. This is our learn inheritance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We need to do. We want to create a object for the class department, right?
For class department.
That
Okay.
class department also in the same namespace. And this what is this data types also in the same namespace, right?
Mm-hmm.
Types which is in the same namespace. C sharp learning December underscore December 2023, right? And where is other one? Save all. Class employee. Okay. Class employee.
Mm-hmm.
Under class. This one also under the department also under the same namespace. So we can directly access within the assembly. Okay. So directly we can create a object. So let's go here. Okay. What we are doing? CLS department. See, it's accessible. Same as accessible. Let's say there, if you make that as a private access specifier, then it won't work. Got it?
Yeah.
So you need to do public only. Now here, class department obj. Let's say I'm giving department equal to new class department. There is no parameterized constructor. Now, if you have department dot in the class department, we have department number, department name. These are properties coming from there.
Yeah.
And display department details. Right? Display department details.
Department details.
What else it's coming? You see get age. Okay, where get age is coming from? That is from parent class.
Get age is from
employee. Who is the parent class?
Class employee.
So using the, if it is inherited from some class, parent class, if you create object for the child class, using the child class object, you can access its own properties and methods plus parent class.
Parents class.
But
Properties.
is this coming? Display ename is coming? No. Display employee name is coming? No. Why it's not coming? Because
It's already
it's private.
Yeah.
Only public functionality is accessible from the parent class. Let's say, for example, here I am making this private int age. Now, if you go here, if you put the dot, see, age property is not coming now.
Yes. Get age is there.
No, that is method. I am talking about. Get age is a method, that is public.
Okay.
Age is a property which is not coming here. Okay. But department name, only two are coming. And see, this is also not coming.
Because
ename. Okay. Now the dot here. See now ename. So what did you understand from this? By default, it's not public. You need to make the properties as public. Got it?
Public, yes.
But it's private. So if you want to make it, you add the public access specifier. Understand? So only the public functionality of the base class, base or parent class, you can call it, be accessible using the child class object in the inheritance. Is it clear, the concept? Now, if you do dot display, no, what is the method there? Here, employee. We are having
method
display name. That is get age.
But it is private.
Dot get age. Get age method is returning something, right? So we can assign that to what is it is returning some integer. So int some employee is something. We can give the variable. Now you can print this here. Console dot right line employee age. Now what will be the value? So this get age, if you go there. So do we have anything in the age? No, because we didn't. We will see what will happen now. We did not call, this is a private variable, and we did not call the constructor of employee class. So it won't be set. Let's put a breakpoint here. If you are using inheritance, we will see what will happen. Okay, it will call or not. Okay. Debug. It's calling. So this is entry question. See, we did not directly call the parent class constructor. right?
Mhm.
But it is inherited basically. So it's calling. So it's setting this value age equal to 25. Now age has some value. See now
Yeah.
it's coming to this one. Now it's going here. It created the object. Now get age F11. If you do already age has some value 25, right? From the
Mhm.
constructor. Now it will print 25. Clear now? Understand the inheritance concept?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now if you go here, you understand this one, right? Always left side one is the child class, right side one is the parent class.
Parent class.
Okay,
Mhm.
that is inheritance. There is one more concept called overloading. Okay, I will explain you what is overloading. But right now this
Mhm.
is not coming, right? Okay.
Display name because it is
Now I
private,
am
right?
making this public.
Okay.
Okay, public. Now this will also come. Okay, now if
Okay.
we put the dot, you see
E name.
display name also coming, right?
Mhm.
So now let's go here again. I am creating one more method. Same name. Same name. And
Mhm.
it's taking some parameter. Okay, display name int age. It's taking some integer variable, some employee, something like that. Okay, inside I am writing the code if or employee number, let's say int employee number is taken. Okay, if employee number equals 10, then print Mahesh, else print something Anand, something like that. Got it?
Mhm.
Display name, let's say it's anything. Okay, there is one method, so method name is same. Here this method don't have any parameter, but this is taking parameter. This logic is different, this logic is different. Got it?
Yeah.
Now what will happen when you go here, when you create a object for this one, or directly you can create an object. How to create object for the parent class? Employee obj employee equals new.
Equal to new class employee.
Okay.
There. Yeah.
Do we have parameterized constructor here for employee?
Yeah.
Yes. See, one of two. What is second one? Is taking integer. So I am passing 30. Okay. Now
Mhm.
obj employee dot dot.
Mhm.
Okay. If meeting ends, again rejoin. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
obj employee dot is showing display name get age. Is it showing anything related to department class? No. Why?
No.
Because parent class cannot access the child class. It can access only its
Okay.
class, right? Now we have
Okay.
display name. Okay, now
Mhm.
the brackets you see one of two. Why it's coming one of two? There are two methods with the same name.
Yes.
First one
Yes.
it's not taking
Just
any
with
parameter.
parameters
Second
and
one
without
has
parameters.
overloaded method. This is called overloading. Second one is taking.
Okay.
I'm putting 20.
Okay.
Now if you take 20, what will be the output for this? This is 20. This is not equal.
So it will be like
Employee name
Anand.
is Anand.
Mhm.
So now, if you go to that this one again, run this. See, employee name is
Mhm.
clear. That one?
Mhm.
This is how we can create the overloaded methods with the same name with different parameters. Got it? We can have any number of overloaded methods. Now we can have one more method which takes the employee name. You can have your own logic inside that method. Now you will have three methods with the same name. Or you can have two.
Overloading means like we are creating multiple methods.
Yeah, multiple methods
Okay.
with the same name.
With the same name, yeah.
with different number of parameters.
So this is called like overloading.
Overloading, method overloading.
Oh, okay.
If you do control dot write line, you see 18 methods. You see 18.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are using the 11th one. They created overloaded methods.
Okay.
Shisha, understand?
Mm-hmm.
18. You see different values. Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This meeting will end now. Anyway,
Okay.
then we will continue. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Doing this one and this.